Iada na jingnang sted shuh jo jingpang khlam COVID-19 ha thaiñ nongpoh berkumjuru pynlait no jingiashong khleh lang ha kawei iing yagitu gi bangat ha ni jingpang liang Dorbar Shnong Nongpoh lembar COVID-19 committee kila shimkhia thaw no isolation center pynshong kyrpang gitu gi biyo ni jingpang ya kabala phiah lang na benta ki shinrang barkin thai yakini isolation center labo menta po school Nomiwell Memorial Secondary School Nongpoh yakini isolation center kabadan kumbasau photli ei ki jingthia ringar ki jakali bar ki babiang la Plie do ba mineral bonds MLA ka nongpo laidon lang ru DMHO ka district u Dr M Mauri uba Sylvester Minsong rang ba Shnong ba Michael Kharhunai secretary Shnong ba Riew Kharkamni secretary ka nongpo town committee na lor ki wei de Nakaliang MLA ulano senyang ru de kiten sok kising khleh ringkar kapisa ka ba 4000 tingka syakni ka committee ban pinbit pinbiang ki jingnan kambaro ban nakaliang ka Riew cricket association kala Sngewbha de kiten sok bar kising khleh nakaliang ka Dorbar Shnong Nongpoh kala yoru ye kawei ka kali kit nongpang kabla tip kum ka community ambulance ka ba syakri ha ka ban kit ye kitu ki biyo jingpang COVID-19 ban pinpo ye ki shiki jaka sumar ba pher Nagaliang MLA ula kurpat eka sorkar jela bakan pelaj no mardor ki song jiarap sheki CCMC kenang banla ban pinbit pinbiang ki jingdan kam haki isolation center.
Kini ka sinjam ka ba ka Shnong kala shim so wan hai ginero ka Shnong ya ka CCMC ro kawei dari kristom na ka banta komno ban la ban penurlang ya kan ni community isolation center ban hari itu por kita sibun ki dingdon kam na komenta ban penyan bed berhenti ya kani ka isolation center kumbala ban sungku ka Dorbar Shnong Nongpoh propar kadon hadu kumbersispa sanmut ki positif hadu menta kalau susah gilingkit ka bakia but haka high level meeting ka ba agani tayo ko bladep asndai darit ka layo ban ya keren ban chief minister chief secretary menteri yang bukan phiah kalau kumbar kilawat ha ya ki CCMC bakin dan ya ki community isolation center bat kila kuburu bahwa resmi baya ki ki aktif CCIC ka sarkar kan sayaram na gamenta ban fund dan banyarap ni ki dingdon kam di dingdon ki sel dan mar kata ni kentu yu ka sarkar bade ban menteri kam no kulai kat bala ya kane ka dingmu nang ba ki CCMC gibran Shnong khamtam ki Shnong di bun di positif kumbulu sahari hoy Shnong Nongpoh propar ki bun di Shnong di bun ni positif ki jingera kita iban koi kat bala na liang jo sarkar Dorbar district administration saya ni CCMC lamar ban hapton ya ka community isolation center ki sibun ki jinglut nadu ki jingdon kam jaga sia dekat dem toilet ini kita ke bang tadi bakta kata kan sibun ki jinglut ki ba ban volunteer ban up na ka banta ka ni jaga kunju.
Guidance for early diagnosis and early treatment. Not tested or tested negative and have symptoms. You have not yet tested for COVID or tested negative, but you have some of the following symptoms: fever, sore throat, body aches, diarrhea, loss of taste or smell, dry cough. Here is what you have to do: get tested and take precautions. Stay at home, wear a mask and maintain distance from other family members. Drink a lot of warm water and other fluids like soup and juices. Do steam inhalation. Do proning if the oxygen saturation is below 94%. Eat nutritious food. Medicines you must take. Number 1, paracetamol if you have fever. 2, ivermectin. Dosage, take tablet with or after food for 5 days. Adults, 12 mg tablet once a day. Children 6 to 12 years of age, 6 mg tablet once a day. 3, vitamin C. Dosage, take tablet after food for 10 days. Adults, 500 mg tablet 2 times a day. Children 6 to 12 years of age, 500 mg tablet once a day. 4, antibiotics may be added as prescribed by the consulting doctor. What to monitor? Monitor fever using a thermometer and oxygen level using a pulse oximeter 4 times a day. Consult your doctor or call 14410 if your oxygen level drops below 94% or if you have trouble breathing. Issued by Department of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Meghalaya.